What you want, Bubby? What you want? You want a present? Do you want a present? Do you want a present? Here, let's give you this one first. You want this one? This one. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? How bad do you want it? Oh, you got it. Get it.
Get it, buddy.
Get it,
What's in
Bubba.
there? What's in there? Get it.
What is that? What is that, buddy? That's a piggy.
A new piggy.
That's a piggy.
Oh my goodness.
Woohoo!
It's a new piggy.
You like your pig? You ready for another one? Bubba, you want another one? You want another one? Here. Here. You gotta put the piggy down. Here. Here, get it. What is that? Is that a duck? Well, you got that one open quick. Is that a ducky?
And a ducky. We got a piggy and a ducky. Listen, what does it make?
I love when he opens presents. Grab yours.
Hey, buddy, I got one more for you.
You're gonna have to drop it. Otherwise.
Look, what's Mama got for you? What's she got there?
Mama made that one too easy.
What Mama get you? Is that a hedgehog? What does it make?
Is that it?
Yeah, I only got one thing.
He doesn't even know which one to play with. You're welcome, Bubba. You're welcome. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Merry Christmas, buddy. Merry Christmas.
You're gonna go a hedgehog? You're gonna go a hedgehog? He makes a fun noise, huh?
I love you, buddy.
Merry Christmas,